Model 2018 Ford Transit Connect 200L1 Diesel 1.5 TDCi 120ps Limited Van Powershift Automatic, ULEZ compliant. Fares OR repair. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 89,728. MOT, 4 May 2024. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCi 120ps S6C. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Dry clutch unit faulty on the autobox will need repairing or replacing. Easy job if you know what you're doing to get this back on the road. Okay, hand medium light skin tone, this is a beauty, will not be here long. Smiling face. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, electric